going to show you how many Nerf guns I got. So here we go. First we're going to start off with these. All of these.
Right, could you mind off, because I need to push the sofa back, please. I need to push the sofa back. Mind off. Right, mind out, Grace. Move.
I like the mini ones the best.
2. Do you know what? Don't worry about it. I'll do it if you on there.
We're going to be testing them out today. So yeah. Whoops.
Thank you.
I think I should put
Right, it's not going to be long, and then
Can you see me? Yeah, you can.
Spider-Man. It's not Daddy. Here we go. Sorry's house. Right.
I need to put 6 bullets in. 2, 3, 4.
And that's definitely not cheap.
Nice. Done. Put them in there now. Okay, so we're ready to do it.
You know, help out a fellow contestant.
Sorry.
Now I'm gonna
I'm going to shoot it
put that there. To beat Marion, I'll need a pump.
at the target.
This rock looks almost exactly like a
Oh wait, I need to move this.
Let's do this.
Thanks guys.
Robin, he doth paint the rock, he's made it look quite neat. But even if it looks the part, it really is a cheat. Cheaty cheat, cheaty cheat, it really is a cheat.
Robin, quick, the competition's about to start. Pick up your pumpkin. Well, little John, what do you think?
Leave him alone, Charlie.
This is my pumpkin. I think you'll find it's much bigger than Marion's. The winner is Robin Hood. I'd like to thank my parents and... Oh! My feet!
Robin, this is a rock.
The winner is Marion!
Fatey, fate, fatey, fate, he drops it on his feet. Fatey, fate, fatey, fate, it happens when you cheat.
That minstrel's got to go.
That was a good game.
Okay.
We're going to start.
You've been watching
That was
Giggle Biz.
Now we're on to our next one. Which is
Giggle
going
biz,
to be
giggle biz, we've had a lot of fun. Giggle biz, giggle biz, oh, oh, oh. Giggle biz, giggle biz,
this one.
now it's time to go. Giggle biz, giggle biz,
Headshot.
to go.
Pretty good.
Ta-ta, bye-bye,
If I do
farewell
this.
to you, TFN. We all hate to say goodbye, but we'll
Here we
be
go.
back again.
Get out of there. Come on, out.
Right, where's your one? Where's your box, Ozzy? Charlie?
Join us for a brand new foot-stomping show.
Hello, I'm Ranger Hamza.
There's an adventure on every doorstep. So open your eyes and ears. It's time to explore.
Come on, let's go
go for a walk.
Go.
Join Ranger Hamza
Don't
and
lose
his
any of those minutes down back there,
determined
darling.
in Let's Go for a
I'm
Walk.
not going to be crying to them
Starts
again.
Monday at 11
That's for
on
sure.
CBBS and BBC iPlayer.
Why is the iPad still on? Do you have to make that noise?
Been around like a just wanna say one thing. Such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing. We still love you, everybody. Waffle doggy. Waffle doggy. Waffle doggy. You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog. You
On the day Waffle had chosen to be his first birthday,
Birthday dog is here!
Mr. Willow invited everyone round to his house.
This one. Yeah! Really cool.
The bubbles of bubbleologist.
That's a huge bubble. I want to go.
It's just all my dream.
And look over there! A bouncing castle!
I just strictly my dream. This.
Of course, there's a swimming pool. Later on, Waffle, we've got a big surprise for you. So you pup are going to have a wonderful day.
Off you go. Surprise, 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 surprise.
Now, Waffle, you must be patient. Your surprise will happen later.
Oh,
Waffle, I know. Go and have some fun.
okay. Waffle, swim.
No, actually, Waffle, I don't think we should go in the pool right now. Sorry, but we don't want any more soggy doggies at the park.
No, actually, I'm afraid the bouncy castle's off limits to dogs.
No, Waffle. Party food for later on, when everyone is here.
Okay, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe, share it with your friends, comment down below because we give you away one of these Nerf guns. So, one of the Nerf guns I showed you. So, peace out, bro.